Swastiastu. Come, happy back with me, Hari Jumawan here. Name 031171075. Class 2 PBI C Denpasar. Here, I want to present about auxiliary verbs. Aux- Auxiliary verbs. There are definition type auxiliary function, example of auxiliary, and then there is a definition of auxiliary. Auxiliary verbs are auxiliary words to complete the main verb in the sentence. Apart from completing the main verb, the auxiliary verb also serves to clarify the main verb. Therefore, an auxiliary verb cannot stand alone without a verb. This auxiliary word is used to help tense, expect, capital, control, and others. In clause or sentence, this auxiliary verb usually comes before the main verb. Then there is a type of auxiliary verb. Uh, there are three types. The first, primary auxiliary verb, atau dalam bahasa Indonesia kata kerja bantu utama. Primary auxiliary verbs are verbs that are used to characterize the tense and do not add meaning to the main verbs. The verbs included in the primary auxiliary verbs are to be, am not, are not, or aren't, is not, or isn't, was not, or wasn't, were not, or weren't, be, being, and been. Nomor second, there is a model auxiliary verb, atau dalam bahasa Indonesia kata kerja bantu mengendalikan. Auxiliary verb model is a verb that is used to add the meaning to the main verbs included in the model. Auxiliary verb are can, could, may, might, should, shall, will, would, must, and ought to. And then the last, emphasize auxiliary verb, atau dalam bahasa Indonesianya kata kerja bantu penekanan. Dalam ini sangat dibutuhkan untuk penekanan dalam sebuah kalimat. This auxiliary verb function is used to apply pressure or seriousness to an action or event, which is included in the emphasize auxiliary verbs, or emphasize auxiliary verbs are do, does, and did. And then function. Auxiliary verbs are verbs that help to connect two words in the one sentence. Apart from connecting, the auxiliary verb also has another important function, which is to provide or change the meaning of the words in the sentence. Auxiliary verbs are auxiliary verbs that function to add a special meaning to main verb or main verb, such as to show things that will happen, futurity, abilities, permissions, the possibility of something or possibility, and so on. And then example of auxiliary auxiliary. There is three example. The first, primary auxiliary verb. There is a three example. The first, he is moving the floor. The auxiliary is. Then number second, did you have a nice holiday? The auxiliary is did. And then number three, Harry has studied in English for 5 years. The auxiliary is has. Then moving on, there is a modal auxiliary verb. There is a 10 example. The first, she can read Spanish language. The auxiliary is can. And then, could you open the door, please? The auxiliary is could. And then, might I come into the classroom? The auxiliary is may. And I might have done the match inside. The auxiliary is might. And would you like to have a copy? The auxiliary is would. And then you will remember our whole life. The auxiliary is will. Then you should see the doctor. The auxiliary is should. Then you shall watch a movie. The auxiliary is shall. We must go to bed now. The auxiliary is must. And the number last, we ought to love our younger. The auxiliary is ought. Then last, emphasize auxiliary verb. There are three examples. The first, I do not feel like going out tonight. The auxiliary is do. And then number second, he does speak English well. The auxiliary is does. And then the last, did you have a nice holiday? The auxiliary is did. Then I'll thank you so much for today. If I have some mistake, forgive me. I do apologize, and I will require in the future, and I will do as well as I can do. And thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.
PR itu apa ini PPT atau video sih sumpah jangan nyata banget sama nanti sumpah sumpah jadi tak bantu story gitu kalau nggak kayak gitu kamu buka aja laptop WA misalnya gitu apa ya gitu